In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting on an iPhone. If you're new to Zoom, don't worry. The process is simple, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat. I'll walk you through everything clearly so you know exactly what to expect from the moment you install the app to the moment you're connected to the meeting audio. First, install the Zoom app from the Apple App Store. On your iPhone, open the App Store, search for Zoom, and download the official app. Make sure you choose the correct Zoom app so you can join meetings without any issues. Once it finishes installing, you're ready to move on. Next, open the meeting invitation you received. You can usually find the invite link in a text message, an email, or a WhatsApp chat. Tap the Zoom invite link and your iPhone should begin opening the Zoom app automatically. This is usually the fastest and easiest way to join a meeting because many of the details are filled in for you. If you don't have the link handy, or if tapping it doesn't work, you can open the Zoom app yourself and tap Join from the main screen. If you're joining manually, enter the meeting ID when prompted. Take your time here and type the numbers carefully so you connect to the correct meeting. In some cases, you'll also be asked to enter a passcode. If so, type in the passcode exactly as it was provided in the invitation. Both the meeting ID and passcode are important for accessing the meeting securely. After that, choose whether you want to join with video or join without video. If you tap join with video, other people in the meeting will be able to see you as soon as you enter. If you prefer to join more privately at first, choose join without video instead. This can be useful if you want a moment to settle in before turning your camera on later. Finally, when Zoom asks how you want to connect to audio, select Wi-Fi or cellular data. This allows you to hear the meeting and speak to others using your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, you may get a more stable experience, but cellular data can also work if that's what you're using at the time. Once you've done that, you should be fully connected and ready to participate in the meeting. That's all it takes to join a Zoom meeting on an iPhone.